Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically match cut your audio on CapCut PC. So I will be just using this audio, so I'm just going to right click extract the audio. I'm just going to delete this video. Select your audio and then select auto beats, and you can either select beats 1 or beats 2. So what you're basically going to do is kind of like match cut your video or like your photos with the beats so that it's like in sync with it. So for instance, you want to do like a compilation, you can do that by basically splitting it on every beat. And yeah, that is it. You can also manually do it. If you want to add more, you can press Ctrl J on your keyboard or Ctrl J again to delete the beats that you put. Or if you want to clear them all together, just select this clear beats section. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!